How to check personal records in Strava app. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. So today I'll be teaching you how to check personal records on Strava app using your mobile phone. So what you need to do is to first of all open your Strava app on your phone. So once you've opened your Strava app on your phone, the home page will be displayed to you, where you have several options like to see what your friends are doing or to subscribe to Strava app. Then the list of sport activities that you've done previously using your Strava app displayed on this home screen. Now if you want to check personal records on Strava app, you take a look at the lower part of the screen where we have icons like the home icon, the maps icon, the record icon, the groups icon, the U icon. So all you need to do is to click on the U icon, which is the fifth and the last icon on this row. So once you've clicked on it, like I've done here, at the top right corner of the U page, at the top right corner, we have three icons. We have the profile icon, the search icon, and the settings icon. So since you want to check your personal records in Strava app, you click on the profile icon, which is the first icon on that row as the top right corner of your screen. So you click on it, then you wait patiently for the page to load. So once the page has loaded, you see your personal records, your personal information, your details and all that on your screen. You see your name, your state, your country. Your profile picture will be displayed if you have one. If you have one on your profile picture, the numbers of followers you have will be displayed. The numbers of people you're following be displayed. Then you also have the search the share icon or the edit icon just at the right side of the screen. Then at the lower part you have the details of your personal records. That's the sport activities that you've done so far. So everything will be displayed here. Just like you can see on my screen, my personal records are being displayed here. So it's that simple, and it's not a difficult task, so you can also try it out. So this is simply how to check your personal records in Strava app using your mobile phone. So I hope you find this video very insightful. Thank you.